Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to our vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, I want to talk about the PS5, the Sony PlayStation 5, because it was actually pre-released or pre-ordered here in the Philippines today. And we had 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, to be able to secure a slot via the different websites of the resellers of Sony. This, of course, includes Data Blitz or Game Extreme and a bunch of other shops that sell Sony products. As you guys can probably guess, that didn't go too well because a lot of people ended up frustrated because they weren't able to lock in their pre-orders of the PS5. Now, a lot of Filipino gamers or a lot of, Sony PlayStation fans are actually kind of shocked as to what's happening. Because if you take a look at Shopee, Lazada, Facebook Marketplace, a lot of people are actually selling PS5s for double the retail price. Some people are selling it for as high as 60,000 pesos. And with that said, welcome to the world of sneakers and hype. Because that's how it is when you have overwhelming demand and so little supply. You have the different shops already saying, like Data Blitz, when they first came out with the announcement, that they will only have sobrang konting units, just a few units available. And I could already tell, just with that announcement, that the resale market will just have a feast over this. In sneaker lingo, we call it sobrang hype. Basically, for example, this is the Off-White Nike Prestos. I think the SRP of this is around 10,000 pesos when it first came out several years ago. Now, you're lucky to buy one for resale, brand new dead stock, for a little over 100,000 pesos. So why is it ridiculously expensive? Because again, supply and demand. When they released this, when Virgil Abloh, Nike, and Off-White released this, only a few pairs were made available. And the demand was so crazy that people were willing to pay double, triple, quadruple, eventually 10 times the SRP of the Presto Off-White OG. That pretty much is what's happening to your beloved PS5. Because here's the grim reality, especially for all of you pure PlayStation gamer fans. When you have really high demand and you have really low supply, the SRP doesn't matter anymore. The SRP becomes some sort of like variable price. The price becomes from whatever the original SRP is to how much people are willing to pay for it because they just really want a unit of the PS5. So ultimately, what is the solution? Well, you just have to wait because, to be honest, the only people who can fix this problem, in my opinion, is Sony. If they're able to bring in enough units here in the Philippines to meet the demand that we have here in our shores. If they aren't able to do that with expediency or at a faster rate within the next few weeks, then you can pretty much assume that the only way for you to be able to get a PS5, unless you buy from another country that has an abundance in supply, is for you to pay a premium. In short, you have to pay resale. That's the sad reality. So should you pay resale for a PS5? Unless your livelihood depends on it, like you're a streamer, you're a professional gamer, or let's say you are a content creator, a YouTuber like me who unboxes stuff for a living. In short, pinagkakakitaan namin yung PS5 pag ginagamit namin, then I don't think you should, unless you're one of those people. Because if the PS5 is a means for you to make money, then go ahead. Then you should probably pay a resale because you get to earn from it anyway. And you can probably make that money back over the next few weeks, the next few months. However, if it's just purely for entertainment, if it's purely just to play the game that you want to play, I would strongly recommend that you just enjoy your PS4 if you have a PS4 and just wait until the time comes when the PS5 is more widely available and you don't have to pay a resale. Sayang yung pera, lalo na sa panahon na to. With that said, that's actually it for the vlog for today. I just wanted to share with you guys my thoughts about the PS5 because I saw the post that Unbox put up on their Facebook page. By the way, if you guys haven't seen our tech channel and our tech website, it's called unbox.ph, one of the top tech websites in the country. Please do check them out. And link down below to the website and the YouTube channel of Unbox, where they usually do in-depth reviews of smartphones, gadgets, laptops, and a bunch of other awesome stuff. So again, check them out, subscribe to their channel. That said, that wraps up my very, very short PS5 vlog for today. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.